how to log in to Aydin University. So if you want to log into Aydin University, then first open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for Aydin University login. And once you've searched, here you will have your Aydin University, right? Click on the first search. And now, if you don't understand the language, then you can go for English and translate it to the English. Click on English and you can translate your page. And once you translate, now here you will have your user login, right? So if you want to log in, then first enter your username on the first blank. And once you enter your username, you need to enter your password on the next blank. So if you forgot your password, then you will have I forgot my password. Click on I forgot my password so that you can reset or recover your password. But if you remember, then simply enter your password and you can click on entrance. And once you click on that, it will log you into your account if your information is correct. So that's it. That's how you log into your Aydin University. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.